Welcome everybody, my name is Kate Kaltoff and today I'm going to share my December kit to go, which is featuring the Eden Garden stamp set along with the Eden dies. So it's a beautiful set. I'm excited to show it to you. I'm excited also to offer an extra design. So that means an extra 2 cards in your kit to go, kind of my Christmas present to you. So I have had so much success with my kits to go, and I have such loyal customers when it comes to ordering kits to go. And so I just want to do a little extra for my December kit to go for all of you placing orders with that. So let me go ahead and flip the camera down here and I will start showing you everything that is in this kit to go. All right, so here we are. This is the bundle. Now you will need this bundle in order to put these cards together, because although I am providing paper, you will have to die cut some of the paper into the various shapes in this kit to go. So this is the main bundle that you will be working with. If you do not already have this bundle, you can still get it. And I will, that'll be in the Deluxe Kit. If you already have the bundle, you can get the basic kit to go, which will include the, the paper and the gems and things like that. All right, so this is the beautiful kit to go. It's nice and light and breezy, and it just really rushes some green into your crafting area, which you will see in a second. So let me show you all of the cards that we're going to make first. So this is the first one, and you'll be making 2 of this one, and you can see exactly what that looks like. The kit to go includes a PDF as well as how-to videos of each card. So this is the first one. This is the second one, and isn't that gorgeous? So now I will pre-cut like the tags, and I will pre-cut like the diorama dies here. But again, just to emphasize the fact that you will need this bundle, I will provide the paper, but you will be cutting this really gorgeous leafy kind of wreath border for this card, as well as this little piece. So that is what that looks like. And I will just quickly intersperse here what these dies look like. This is what the dies look like. So you'll want to have this set of dies in order to make the cards exactly like I have. So the diorama dies I'm going to offer as an add-on. They look like this if you don't already have them. So when I give you the link to PayPal, you'll have the option to order the diorama dies. The next card in our kit to go is this one. And I love this one because it's one of those kind of ways where you can show the designer series paper on the outside as well as the inside. So when you open up the card, it looks like that. So you get to see all this pretty paper on the other side as well. So that is the third card in this kit to go. And now the next 2 cards in the kit to go, the designs will be using the Stitched Whimsy dies. And this is another one of those dies where if you don't have it, you can order it as an add-on in my kit to go. I will not be pre-doing these because you have to stamp before you do these. And so these will not be pre-done for you. So if you have these dies, you're set. If you don't have the dies, you can order them. But just know that on the next 2 cards where I do use these dies, it's optional. You don't have to have these dies with the card in order to make a really beautiful card. So the very next card, this would be the 4th one in this kit to go, looks like this. Isn't that pretty? And then you can see the Stitched Whimsy that I did all the way around. So lovely. And then the final card is this one. And I just love it. And you can see that on some of these cards, there's quite a bit of gold foil that I've used. And let me just show you what this kit to go actually includes so you have an idea. So it will include, as I mentioned, if you want to get the basic kit to go, this is what comes in the basic kit to go. You will get 2 sheets of gold foil. You will get a full 12 by 12 pack of designer series paper. It's called the Eden's or Ever Eden 12 by 12 designer series paper. Now, I didn't even have a full pack of 12 by 12 to show you. So I have this cut down 6 by 6, just so I can show you what the different patterns are, but it's specialty paper. Look how gorgeous that is with all that gold foil in there. So I'm just going to flip through these so you can see what the paper looks like that's included with the basic kit. And so there's also a variegated one, and it goes from light all the way down to a deep dark evergreen at the bottom of the 12 by 12. Of course, this just shows half of it. Here's the back side. Then there's this piece here. And I do use all of these different papers at some point in the cards on the kit to go. I think this is my favorite. I just love these leaves. And there's the back side. Here's another one. I think I did give you a peek of this with one of the kit to go cards. Here's the other side. And we have this one. So you can see how versatile and year-round these papers can be. All right, then in addition to that, this is kind of the star of the show, are these gems. So this is the garden gems, and your package in your basic kit, you'll get a full pack of these. These are the garden gems. All right, so this is all included in your basic kit to go. In addition, in your basic kit to go, you will get a happy stamper token. It kind of looks like this. When you get 10 of these tokens, you get a free stamp set of your choice from moi. And your final option here is to get a deluxe kit to go. So that's where you get all of this, plus instead of one happy stamper token, you will get 2 happy stamper tokens. So the basic kit to go is 50. The deluxe kit to go is 100. In addition, you will get the 2021, 2023 in color jewels. That's my customer gift of the month. And so you will also get that when you get your kit to go. All right, let me flip the camera back up. All right, so I just want to also let you know what's really pretty cool is that you get that additional 2 cards. And I just want to stress that because starting in January, you go back to 4 designs and you'll get 8 cards. But this month you actually get 10 cards with the kit to go. So the basic kit, which I went over, is 50. The deluxe kit is 100. I have all the information already on my blog. And so if you want to get the sign up link, just email me at stampingtoshare.com. Or you can contact me in other ways as well, and I'll send you the registration link. Or if you are already one of my newsletter subscribers and get my weekly review that I send out once a week, I will be sending that out this afternoon. All right, everybody, bye-bye. Have a great day, and I do hope you sign up for this Eden's Gardens kit to go. It's going to be fun. Bye-bye.